Alright, what is going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the NG models July 2020 releases. I am aware that some other people have already done these releases. I just want to say my opinion and which ones I'm getting. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's dive straight into it. So as you can see right here, NG models 2020 releases. July 2020 releases. These releases did come out a little later than they normally would by like a few days, but that's okay because it really makes up for it. The first one we have is the Aeromexico Boeing 757-200. It's a very, very gorgeous model with the gray paint and the blue line and the blue and red line going across the bottom. They don't fly these planes anymore from what I'm aware. Yeah, they don't fly these planes anymore. But if you're one of those people like Gemini Jet's 1975 where you collect retro planes, this would be a good one for you. The next one is the Air Force 757-200, and this is in the 75th anniversary. Also, I haven't seen most of these planes, so you're going to get my first reaction. Wow, that's actually really cool. I like all the detail on the tail here. 75th anniversary. Oh, this is New Zealand Air Force. Oh, darn, I was actually going to get it. But there are a few that I am getting, so just stay tuned for that. So yeah, very cool. If you have a New Zealand airport or this flies to one of your airports, I'm not sure which what airport this plane flies to, but if it comes to yours, I definitely get it. The next one is the Air Force 757-200 once again, but, excuse me, this is the New Zealand Air Force once again, but it's pretty much the exact same thing, but without the 75th anniversary. So yeah, let's get on to the next one. Here we have a DHL 737-800. I will be picking this one up because they do fly to Denver, the DHL 737-800, or it might be like the 737-400, but it's better to have one DHL than no DHL at all, and they don't fly the 757, so this is like the next best thing. So I will definitely be picking this one up. I would recommend this to you because I don't know if you guys can see, but obviously most planes are converted into, like most commercial planes go into cargo, so you can see like the outline of the windows from when it was a passenger, which I think is really cool. And the registration is N916SC. Alright, the next one is the Swoop 737-800, and this is the O Canada with split scimitar winglets. Unfortunately, none of these airports that I do, Swoop doesn't fly to them, but it would be a cool model to get if they did, because I do know that Swoop has quite a bit of routes here to the US. I know they're starting San Diego soon, so for those of you that have a San Diego model airport, this would be good for you guys. And yeah, it has a nice detail. I like the letters right here. It's not Euro white at all, but I think the pink and white is pretty interesting, personally. Alright, then we have the Aeromexico 787-9. This is Guadalupe. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Here it is right here. Let me zoom in really quick. The registration is XA-ADG. So I'm actually not aware where the Dreamliners fly to. I'm pretty sure they fly to LAX. But if they do fly here, I would definitely get it because this looks like a fantastic model to get. Alright, the next one is the Jet 2 Holidays Airbus A321-200. No special livery, no nothing, but here it is. If I remember right, Jet 2 Holidays isn't a thing anymore. I'm actually not sure, but I don't think it is, but let me know in the comments below. But so yeah, this is if this is retired and you're one of the retro collectors, this would be a cool model to get. Oh wait, no, that's Thomas Cook. That I'm actually not sure. I'll look it up after this. But the registration is GMLIF. I think it's kind of hard to read actually, but yeah. The next one, I will be picking this one up because sorry, that was the last sniffle, or I'll try to. But Spirit actually has about 10 to 20 routes out of Denver, and a lot of them are on the 321 and 320, and I do not have any 321, so I'll be picking up just one of these. But I know a lot of people were anxious for this one and the JetBlue one, so I would get this one right away before it's gone. Very nice, gorgeous model right here, and I highly recommend you guys get it. The next one is the ATA L1011-500. I'm not familiar with that plane, but it's in the 2000s color. Let's take a look at that. Pleasant Hawaiian Holidays. Wonder if I could get this for Honolulu and like put it on the side, because obviously it doesn't fly anymore. That's actually cool. I did not know that there's an airline called ATA, but that is cool. I'm assuming they flew to Hawaii from all this stuff right here. But yeah, I would get that if they were still flying. This one is the same thing, L1011-500 with Pleasant Hawaiian Holiday. Is that the one I just saw? And this is the exact same as the last one. So yeah, two of the same plane. Not sure why they would do that, but yeah. Alright, I do apologize for that, but we left off at the Zion Y20 with the new mold. So this is a new mold by NG Models. If it'll load any day now. Okay, hold on, let me try it again. Not really. Oh, I already have it open, that's why. Okay, so yeah, here it is. I'm assuming this flies to China because of the flag, but then again, I'm not really sure like where this flies to. But if it does fly to your airport, it looks like a pretty cool decent plane. I'm assuming this is Chinese military something because of the colors of the dark gray. But yeah, I'd get this if it flies to your airport because it's pretty cool. And this is the exact same thing, Zion Y20. I think it's probably like a different livery. Nope, it's the exact same thing. So they made two of the same model. Maybe so it doesn't sell out, or maybe it's a different registration. But yeah, so that about does it for the NG Models July 2020 releases. You can see all of them right here. You can also go to their website, ngmodels.net, or they put them on their Instagram, which is NG models_global or something like that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy these types of videos, smash the like button and subscribe if you like model airplanes, whatever. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.